One of the first formats that you learn in your CPA Canada journey is WIR, or Weakness, Implication and Recommendation. This is used mostly in assurance AOs, but it can be used in other AOs like strategy governance, but most of the time it's in the assurance and it's about control deficiencies. The way most students use WIR is incorrect. The format itself is incorrect. Here's how it should be done. I want you to forget the concept of WIR and think of it as WIIR. The second I there means impact. The words impact and implication both mean the same thing, which is repercussion, but there's a subtle difference. The difference between these words, impact and implication, is timing. For example, let's say you got a cold and you can't go to work for an important project. What's the implication and impact? Well, the implication is short-term and immediate. The implication is runny nose, fever, sore throat, and missing an important project. The impact is more long-term and it can be either operational or financial. The impact of getting cold and missing work is that your productivity will go down, you'll miss an important project, this may affect your promotion, and you may lose a bonus. Missing a bonus is financial impact, while productivity is operational impact. So remember, there are two impacts, financial and operational. Financial impacts are easy. Revenue goes up, costs go down, profits increase, gross margin gets better. Think of this like financial KPIs. It's kind of like that. Discuss how financially better or worse the company will be. Operational impacts are tougher because it's multifaceted and has to make sense. For example, in a CPA case, there can be customer-related operational impacts like increased customer satisfaction, increased customer engagement, greater geographic reach. There can be marketing implications like increased brand awareness, market penetration, higher conversion rate. There can also be productivity implications like improved quality of products, increase in number of products, economies of scale, and so on. As you can see, there is specific jargon that you use in CPA cases and you have to learn it and insert it in the cases at the right time and right place. Let's look at an example. Let's say there's a weakness that there is no pre-approved vendor list from which purchasing managers are required to order. In the weakness column, we'll write the case fact. There is no pre-approved vendor listing from which purchasing managers are required to order. You don't have to explain the weakness, by the way. The implication and impact, remember, is WIIR. We'll write the immediate implication and operational or financial impact. We'll write, purchasing managers can order from any vendor. There is potential for the purchasing managers to commit fraud by creating fake orders and making payments to fictitious vendors. This will result in financial losses and damage to ABC's reputation. This also means that vendors are not scrutinized for quality, and as a result, the company may receive low quality product. This may unfavorably impact the production quality, leading to decreased customer satisfaction. In this example, I put two different implications and two different impacts. You don't have to create two all the time, but this helps you see different versions. Here's another version. Purchasing managers can order from any vendor. There is potential for the purchasing managers to commit fraud by creating fake orders and making payments to fictitious vendors. This will result in financial fraud, unfavorably impacting the trust among stakeholders. This also means that vendors are not scrutinized for quality, and as a result, the company may miss out on volume discounts or the best pricing. This may unfavorably impact the gross margin, resulting in missed financial targets. Whichever way you write it, remember to use specific case facts. Names, numbers, date, insert as many things as possible so that your implication and impacts don't appear generic. I'll do a future video on recommendation, how to write it properly in WIR. If you're interested in learning sooner, if you want to learn more about getting C's in CPA cases, join my CPA coaching program where you'll see more examples, study notes, and breakdown of formats. The links are in the description. Take care.